me is a home that I'm delivering to Golden Valley. Today was the last day of the Quartzsite show, and I am heading to Lake Havasu on Route 95, and I'm telling you, everybody, this place is amazing. Wow. I know you're like, how are you videoing and driving? Well, I'm not looking at the camera. How's that? There you go. The sun is about to set, and wow, I haven't been able to broadcast to you guys because I've been so busy at the show. And if you haven't been to the desert, you owe yourself to come out here to the Arizona desert and part of California. Look at the sun setting out here. I just got off the phone with my buddy Wayne back in Tennessee. And Wayne, if you're watching this, I love you to death, buddy. I love you and can't wait to get back home. Isn't this beautiful? I'm doing this for him. He's not been out west, I don't think, to see this. You all know Wayne. He helped me with the sheetrock on the tiny home. Look at that, Wayne. Buddy, we'd have some fun out here. Just campfire and talking and just spending some time together. That's what this makes me think of, is being able to drive out here. You can go out in the middle of the desert and just build a fire and sit and talk and relax and just do nothing for a little bit and reflect on life, you know? So, all right. Everybody, I want to tell you that I've been here for 9 days, and I've been at this show, and we sold, I think, 3 or 4 homes, and that's fine. I didn't really know if we'd sell any, but we had a lot of recognition. I think a lot of exposure that we got from a lot of people. The RV people, it's hard for them to understand a tiny home, you know, when you drive $150,000 motor home, and Lord, they're decked out, beautiful. Everybody, we know where Ace is. He's right here. I got this thing zoomed in. Let me back off a little bit. There you go. There's Ace. Hey, buddy. You guys see Ace? I'm not looking at the camera at all. So, but we had people that made fun of the homes, that they were just like, really? This is stupid, and it looks terrible, and it looks like it's not going to hold up. And that's fine. I mean, it's kind of hard to hear that a little bit, but, you know, I understand after a while. I start, you know, looking at the crowd and where they're from, and you got to understand where people are coming from. And then I had some of the most beautiful people come that knew me and knew our product, and they were just so encouraging. And then what was really cool, people that didn't know about the product, and then they sat and they learned about it, and then they came back and they said, I have to take another look at this and how well this is built, and then what I can do with it, like on an Airbnb, or I can put my daughter in it, or I can put my mom in it. And a lot of people were saying, hey, I'd like to come back and get one eventually and put it to where I can live in it myself on a friend's property or my sister's property or some my kids' property. A lot of folks were like, you know what, I'm going to get this I can put it on my daughter's property, and I can live there seasonally, and they can come off the road. A lot of these van life folks were saying, you know, when I get off the road, I want to be able to have a place where I can call home, and for 25 grand, I've got a home. Look at that down there, you guys. Look at that water in the desert. I'm just having a great time. I have not left. This is the first time I drove this truck in 9 days. I have not left the show. I'm like I could have been the best soldier ever was. I mean, when I got to do something, I do it. I don't stop. Just nothing gets in my way. In 9 days, I did it, and we quit at 3 o'clock. We grabbed this house, and we left. And now I'm going to called Golden Valley, Arizona, near Kingman, they tell me. It's about 91 miles. I just seen a mile marker. And I'm going to be dropping this house off. It's almost 5 p.m. here in Arizona, 7 back Eastern Standard Time. I don't know when I'll download this video. And then I'm going to drop this house off, and I'm going to drive back to Quartzsite. And tomorrow, I've got an appointment with a realtor out of Phoenix that's coming up to see me at Quartzsite. He actually is a realtor in Mexico, too. I didn't know this, but Mexico is a big playground for Southern California, Arizona people. They go to the Sea of Cortez, and it's a big place where tiny homes might be placed to have tiny homes. All right? There's a little gas station. I think I got enough fuel. I'm going to keep going. And look at those rocks. Is this not awesome? We're just sitting there just a little bit more. Yeah, there you guys. Go up there and eat them. Whoa. Look at that, Wayne. Gosh. I'm loving this drive. I just can't tell you how thankful I am to be able on this road and to be able to see this with my own eyes. Wow. Yeah. So, hey, everybody that came out and seen me, encouraged me, I can't thank you enough for your kind words and your encouragement. And, you know, I know it sounds weird because I'm in business to, you know, sell homes, make money. And for you guys to want to come in and encourage me meant a lot. And I can't thank you enough for that because, you know, this is a new product. This is something people don't know that much about. And I think that we've got something that's really beautiful, and it's going to be an amazing product as the world gets to know it more, you know? So there you go. Wow, look at that. Arizona, 95 going towards Kingman. I'm on my way to Kingman. I was supposed to hit I-40 up here somewhere. And I would watch this video now. And a lot of times I'm always self-conscious about my videos. I'm like, I don't know about watching these things. You know, I just want to get to the point. But I like traveling and seeing places. And so you guys can tell I've left Quartzsite. I'm on 95 heading towards Kingman. And what gets me is this water out here in the middle of the desert. They got lakes. Don't they dehydrate? Evaporate. Yeah, all right. I'm doing 45. I'm going to get a ticket. I'm doing 60. You know, I'm pulling this house. There, I'm in the mirror, pulling this house. Do you know I hit 70? Like, I don't even think about it. And I'm hitting 70 miles an hour in this. I got an F-250, 3/4 ton. And before you know it, I'm doing 70 miles an hour with this 20-foot home. Pulls amazing. Yeah. Everybody asked me, how's it bull? I think we weighed it. It was 5,600 pounds. Tongue weight, about 1,000, I believe. And pulls awesome. Yeah, no sway bars. So they crank now. That's my gauges. I'm doing 55. As you guys can see, there's a car in front of me. And look at that beautiful sunset. It's going down. Like I said, it's a little almost 5 o'clock here. All right, I'm going to sign off. It'll probably be dark time I get there. I can't show you setting it up. But I am on 95 heading Kingman. I want to say thank you for everybody to come and see me. You guys, your thoughts, your prayers, and everything. And I will be back up putting some videos out. Got lots to talk about. Lots to tell you about. Lord, there's so many things going on. All right. Thank you very much. You all have a good night. Bye.